Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connection. Click on connection and click on mobile hotspot and tethering. If you want to enable mobile hotspot, so turn on mobile hotspot button. After turn on this button, you will see mobile hotspot is enabled. After turn on mobile hotspot, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.